You need to realize that when you help your child, you're disempowering them. The more you help them do something, the more they are going to lean on you to do it because they won't feel like they can do it themselves. I am Esther Wojcicki. I am the author of How to Raise Successful People, Simple Lessons for Radical Results. I'm the mother of Susan Wojcicki, CEO of YouTube, Janet Wojcicki, professor of pediatrics at UCSF, and Anne Wojcicki, co-founder and CEO of 23andMe. Helicopter parenting is basically when a parent oversees everything that the child is doing. And I mean everything. If they're doing a puzzle, this is the way to do the puzzle. If they're doing Lego, this is the way to do the Lego. The helicopter parent oversees and makes sure the child does not fail at anything. The number one mistake parents make when they're raising children is that they don't believe that their kids are capable of doing certain things. So they tend to be helicopter parents, or what I call snowplow parents. They basically scoop out all the snow in advance and make it really easy for kids to do whatever it is that they want the kids to do. So it's an unrealistic life. Kids don't have a life where there are no challenges. They have to have challenges, and they have to live life as it is normally, because in the real world, that's what they encounter. You need to give them that opportunity to do that, whatever it is. And I can give you an example. In the pandemic, when we couldn't have any people in the house besides the family, we took all the kids and gave them jobs around the house. The 7-year-old was in charge of the vacuuming, and she did an incredible job. And after that, she was like really empowered. Whenever there was a mess, she could clean it up. She felt like she was special. And that is one of the things you want your child to do. We somehow seem to think that if you let kids do something and they don't do it right, well, then they won't be able to do it right. Give them an opportunity to try. And I can say, for example, every parent cooks. We all eat. Let kids help out in the kitchen. You know, let them make a scrambled egg. Let them make cereal. Let them do something, and as they do it, they will feel more empowered, because once they make a scrambled egg, well, then they'll feel capable of making another one, or maybe pancakes. We need to stop projecting onto them that they can't do things. Give them the opportunity to try, and don't laugh when it doesn't come out right. Just say, okay, no problem, do it again.